How to use Google Keyword Planner. What you should know. Google's Keyword Planner is an excellent tool for businesses wanting to improve their SEO because it shows you how many people are searching for specific phrases as well as related terms. How to access Google Keyword Planner for free. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool that can be used by anyone with access to the internet. There are no restrictions on who can use this program, and it does not cost anything extra for AdWords ads either. Google's so aggressive with its request for registration information and other personal details, like your name or email address, it can look like there may be no way around this without first handing over some cash. Now for the most crucial part. Click Go to Keyword Planner. Don't choose any of the three answers on the What is your major advertising goal screen. Click the Create an account without a campaign button on the next screen. On the next screen, click the Submit button. It's a small one. After that, go to the menu bar's Tools section and select Expert Mode. To confirm the switch, follow the prompts. Finally, if you go back to the menu and click on Tools, you should notice a link to the Keyword Planner. What is the best way to use Google's Keyword Planner? Google Keyword Planner allows you to get started by either finding new keywords or seeing search volume and other historical metrics for your current ones. Look for keywords. Simply enter words, phrases, or a URL linked to your business, according to Google's guidelines, and you'll get some keyword recommendations. The following are the SEO suggestions. For each proposal, you'll see AVG. Searches are conducted every month. Competition. Offer at the top of the page, and a top-of-page offer, high range. Get search volume and forecasts with Google Keyword Planner. What are the top keywords you want to see metrics for? Just paste them in and get started. The 7 best Google Keyword Planner hacks to improve your SEO strategy. Exact search volumes can be unlocked. The free tool we'll discuss here has been proven by its creators as being more accurate than anything else on offer from either plan or keyword research. Method 1. Look at the maximum number of impressions that can be expected by using the method above. CPC. Method 2. Keywords should be placed everywhere you can think of. 10 times your traffic with these proven SEO tips using the Google Keyword Planner. There's a way around this problem, but it's not ideal. Just do one keyword at a time and then add them to your plan by checking off the box on top with Add All XXX. Make a list of your competitors' keyword suggestions. The Google Keyword Planner can generate keyword suggestions from a URL. This is great for finding out what your competitors are currently ranking on, and it will help you figure out how best to rank higher. Use bid suggestions to discover lucrative keywords. It would take forever to manually sort through all the options and find those with potential. Instead, we recommend using top-of-page bid, high range. Check out the number of keywords in your area. Tools that provide keyword research only tell you how many people search for a term in general, nationwide volumes. They cannot show us what's going on locally, only the number of searches across all 50 states or around your city. The cool thing about Google Keyword Planner is that you can actually see the estimated impressions for much more localized areas. Here's an example. Examine which devices are being used by users and which you should be optimizing for. In our example, when looking at free keyword research tools, under Plan Overview, Devices section, there's an interesting statistic. 92% of impressions come via computers' devices with large screens such as laptops or tablets. This means if someone was searching on one of these types of hardware, then maybe our website wouldn't fare too well, because most people who use smartphones would prefer something simpler like Facebook instead, which has been built. Summary. Luckily, there are other tools that can help make up for those shortcomings, like Ahrefs' Keyword Explorer, which combines data from Google with clickstring information to generate accurate search volume estimates and more. Read more in our blog.